Welcome to our tuck and tie video. A lot of times when we are getting ready and putting on outfits together, we think about all the different details and accessories that we want to add to our outfits to really pump it up and add those extra spices that's really going to help to pull our outfit together. Well, one of the details that you definitely don't want to overlook is tucking in your shirt and the different ways to be able to tuck in your shirt. So those are the things we're going to show for you today, don't you think?
Absolutely. It's really important, just as important as the shoes, the bag, the belt, is how you're styling your shirts. And we've got 5 ways for you to tuck or tie your shirt, depending on what type of shirt you're wearing, what type of look you're going for. So we're going to show you 5 ones that we like to use. So the first one we're going to show you is a newer one that I've started using quite a bit, which is the side twist and tuck. And this one basically is just pulling some of that extra fabric over to the side, giving it a little twist, and then tucking that into the side of your pants and kind of just fiddling with it a bit. And we're going to show you that and how we do it. And I like to use this a lot for like those graphic tees or looser fitting tees, just to give them a little bit of style, but without really trying too hard, still keeping it super casual, but creating a little bit of a waist by kind of pulling the fabric in so that it's not so blousy and long and loose. And this is a trick that I really like to use on some of my just everyday, really casual baggy tees and stuff.
And the tuck that we use, I would say probably about 90% of the time, is the front tuck. So it's a very easy and simple thing to do. You really just want to tuck in the front of your shirt and then slowly pull out the material on either side until you have almost like the perfect upside down V. You want to make sure that the material right over your button is as tucked in as it can possibly be, because if it's pulled out a little bit too much, it will add a little bit too much extra material onto the shirt and really not give you the look that you're achieving for. So this is one that obviously you can use when you have, just regular t-shirt and jeans, or if you have a blazer. You can even use it if you're wearing a skirt. It's super versatile and one of the most popular tucks that's out there. And there's numerous ways that you can wear it that we're going to be showing you.
The next styling hack for styling shirts is the front tie. Now this one I tend to do a lot in the summertime. I'm not sure why, it just seems like a great summer trick. And basically what you do is you're gonna wear a button-down shirt for this one. It could be a flannel, it could be a Portofino, a cotton white shirt, and you basically leave the bottom button open, take the 2 pieces of material and just tie them into a knot. And usually what I do is I'll tuck the back tail of the shirt underneath the shirt and just kind of fidget with it a little until you get the look that you want. But this is a great way if you have a longer, blousier button-down top and you want something a little bit different. It's a very casual style. It looks really cute with cut-off jeans or shorts, and it can also be worn with jeans as well, but it's just a very casual, cute look. It's also great with flannels in the winter time. So this is another way to style a shirt that I think is really cute and just gives it a little something different.
Now, another fun and easy way to be able to tuck in button-down shirts or Portofinos is by using the half tuck. Now, there's a little bit of a trick to this one. You want to leave the last button on the bottom undone. And maybe the most obvious thing would be to then tuck in the under part of the shirt into your pants. But sometimes that can leave a little bit of a too unfinished, unpolished look and make you look a little bit sloppy. So instead, I like to take the piece of the fabric that's actually laying over the shirt and tuck that one inside. It helps to kind of pull in the other shirt and gives a little bit more definition right in that waist area that you want.
And the last styling hack we have for your shirts is the side tie. Now I usually use this tie when I'm wearing a t-shirt or a shirt layered underneath something, and that's just a personal preference for myself. When I'm wearing a blazer, a jacket, a cardigan, and I have a tee underneath, what I'll do is I will grab that material to the side and tie it into a little knot and just kind of fidget with it a little until I get the look that I want. And it just kind of adds that little extra styling detail underneath your jacket or your cardigan or blazer.
So that really is all that it takes in order to add some interest in another element of detail to your outfits, by just having that cute little tuck, depending on whether you're doing something that's super duper casual or whether you're trying to step it up a little bit, maybe for a date night out.
Yes, we hope you enjoyed our 5 hacks for styling your shirt, whether you like a side tuck, a front tuck, a twist and tie. These are some great little tricks to help you with your outfits as well. So
I'm so proud of you. That was like a little bit of a tongue twister.
It was. I was like, we got through that.
Exactly.
So until next week, we'll see you guys, and tune in every Monday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
And don't forget to subscribe and to leave us a comment below.
Yes, tell us, what is your favorite way to style your shirts? We'd love to hear some of your ideas as well. So have a great week.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care.